Welcome. Today I'm showing how to activate OK Google option into a Xiaomi 12 Lite. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Next, go into Google Assistant, and first option in the list will be Hey Google and Voice Match. Tap it. And now for activate OK Google option, need to tap on this switcher. And now need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Tap continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.